name is Nagaraj Singh from Kumta. I living this Kumta Taluk. So this district so popular places explain this time. So Gokarna is South Indians is popular, most popular Shiva Mahabaleshwara temples. This living alive the living this place Gokarna. So world largest statue from Murdeshwara, Shiva statue Murdeshwara. This available this district. So it's Marikamba temples. Marikamba temple Sirsi. So most popular fair in state Karnataka state. This taluk popular language Kannada. The language is most popular language, and its district language for Kannada language, and state language is first Kannada language. So my mother tongue is Kannada. Kannada my mother tongue. So this rural area, this most rural area, and 80% forestal land this district. So 80% forestal land is weather is so cool weather, and it's sea beach coastal belt is more coastal belt. It's so beautiful places Gokarna and Murdeshwara. So Karwar is so most beautiful places. Capital of the Uttar Kannada district Karwar. Uttar Kannada district capital of Karwar, and Bhatkal is so most beautiful places. Bhatkal Murdeshwara, and Gokarna is Kumta Taluk Gokarna. So Kumta name is Kumbeshwara Mata. Means Kumbeshwara Mata is name of the Kumta. And jo Siddhapura is more so beautiful places, green plants and medicine plants. Sirsi Siddhapura is medicine plants, and green is forest land is so beautiful places. This district, the beautiful places this district available, and living is more cultural society in Uttar Kannada district. So beautiful places, and more religion and more societies in available this time. So Ankola is the most popular place. Ankola is so sea beach coastal belt is more than, and it's Mundgod is Tibet colony, most popular Tibet colony in the living Tibetan Mundgod. Mundgod is so most popular, and Siddhi society, and Yellapur is so so beautiful place. All more places in inside, and just 80% forest land, and the rural area in Uttar Kannada district. So Honnavara is so most popular places, and green village culture, green rural area, and village culture is more village culture, and more society in Uttar Kannada district. So beautiful places is beautiful places, happy journey, and Gokarna is pilgrim, more pilgrim, out of state pilgrim, and out of district pilgrim, and out of countries pilgrim in this district journey. So this district journey is so colorful journey and happy journey. So you come with coming to you this district. So journey traveling is so beautiful places, and more places in Uttar Kannada district.